The operation tree is now your go-to place for all your posting needs. We've always been a feature-based CAM system, and this meant the order of your machining operations didn't always correlate to the order you've created them in the CAM tree. In previous versions, this was managed in the machining order dialog, which allowed you to sort the operation posting order. In this latest release, the machining order dialog has been replaced by the new operation tree, which enhances the workflow in the software in many ways that were never possible. Lead from center. By default, the lead from center option allows you to utilize the center-most positions of the created toolpath chains. In the past, creating leads that ended in the center of the chain could be a little more challenging than you'd initially think. In fact, customers requesting the ability to do this easily is what led to these new lead types. So here you go. Lead from center made easy. No need to measure areas and calculate leads. Start location control. This latest version brings the power of start location selection to the advanced rough, equidistant, and pencil operations. When programming a part, the more control you have, the better. That's why it was such a huge hit when we offered control over exactly where your advanced Z-level operations starts. Now this same control is available in these other operations. Simply select your start point from the graphics area, or even enter it manually. Chamfer tool for deburring operation. Last year we introduced the new deburring toolpath, which supported fully automated deburring processes for 3, 4, and 5-axis machining by practically just selecting the model and hitting compute. In the initial release, only spherical tools could be used, such as ball-end mills, lollipops, and tapered ball-end mills. Of course, the biggest request was making it work with chamfer tools, and now in this release you absolutely can. The 4-axis advanced roughing and finishing operations are continuing to mature, and now offer the ability to select a 3D containment boundary to define more specific areas of the model to cut. The familiar functionality you are used to utilizing for mill 3-axis operations is now introduced for 4-axis machining. A brand new option has been added to the 4-axis advanced rough and finish operations, which perfectly applies the toolpath to conical shapes. Conical machining can be tricky, and when we came out with our 4-axis advanced machining operations, it helped a lot in the machining of those shapes, but the toolpath wasn't specialized for those shapes, and there were still some drawbacks. Everything from the step-downs to the limits is now designed for conical shapes. Simply select the checkbox on the patterns page, set the cone angle, and now the entire toolpath is designed for that exact shape, giving you the control to machine exactly what you need with ease. A new tilting option is added to surface-based toolpaths, tilted with a fixed angle to surface normal option. The proper tool tilt is important in multi-axis machining, and while we have many options to choose from, including staying fixed to the surface normal, in the past you have not been able to adjust the tilt based on a reference surface and its normal. In this version though, you can do just that. Simply select the option, choose your reference surface and set your angles. The undercutting option for advanced Z-level finish now supports 5-axis tilting. While supporting undercutting is a huge help in 3-axis operations, it relies on tooling to reach undercuts. Now, by setting your tool axis control to 5-axis, you can use the gouge check page and tilting strategy to reach undercut geometry. You can even set an extend undercut area value to have full control over exactly how much is machined. With the new and improved BobART, you can regenerate the canvas without exiting. In the past, creating emboss features consisted of more steps to edit and view the results. This could be a little frustrating, especially if you needed to adjust the selected geometry and the parameters. Now, you deal with a single dialog and can make sure you're happy with the result before you exit. For the first time ever, BobCAM for SolidWorks offers the Wire EDM module. The brand new Wire EDM module supports 2-axis with taper, land and taper, and 4-axis machining to handle all your wire path creation needs.